Good evening, everyone. My name is Syed. I'm here today from live on YouTube for this session today over here from the Forex Educational Academy. For those of you who don't know where we come from the Forex Educational Academy. It has been regulated by KHDA Dubai. So officially, we are authorized to educate our clients about the financial markets and teach them about the financial markets. So today's session, we're going to be learning and seeing a few trades live in front of you. Right now, we see gold being traded at new historical levels. Gold, since the morning, it had been trying to create historical levels. It has been trying to create all-time highs each minute later, right? So right now you see it's a New York session, right? We see gold being traded at historical levels, which is 46.02. Why this happened? Why gold went this much high today? What is the reason? Are you guys aware of that? Are you guys aware of that? What is the reason that gold is going so high today? Any one of you? So basically, what happened is Fed chief is being under investigation. So, Jerome Powell. What happened basically is like U.S. prosecutors have launched a criminal investigation into Federal Reserve for Chairman Jerome Powell related to his testimony about a Fed building project. Powell says he's defending a central bank independence. So, what do you guys think? What is the effect which is going to happen to the market? The effect is right now in front of you. The actual effect, what happened is US dollar is becoming weaker because traders they do not like political interference in the Fed. On the other hand, what happened is gold and other safe haven assets are actually rallying. Gold is hitting all-time highs each minute later. Right now you see it's 46.06. So within minutes, within seconds, it is creating all-time highs. Right now you see within a matter of 60 seconds, gold went up 400 points, $4. So right now trading at 46.07, no resistances level being above this market level, and it has been it's a New York session as well. So of course there is going to be volatility happening. On the other hand, if you see today, dollar is losing its strength. On the other hand, euro is making its strength. If you see any euro pairs, for example, euro USD, you go to euro CAD, you go to euro odd, you go to euro JPY, they're making its strength. What's the reason? Market sentiments, right? European stocks, on the other hand, are losing their strength as of today. Why? Because dollar is becoming weaker because of political uncertainty in the US and other economic news, right? So that's the effect which is happening today in the market for gold and other safe havens. So right now, if we see gold, it's trying to create an all-time high each minute later. Okay. So what do we plan over here as of now? What do we see? What can we do over here? What can we do over here? Hmm. Yes, global uncertainty. Okay, if you go to the N1 to see in further detail, we're gonna take a trade if it comes at a discounted entry or at least in our zone, so we buy it with proper risk management. Okay, so as of now, it's trading at 46.06. It's Japanese bank holiday today and no major news happening today. Okay, okay. Yes, Ishan, go to the moon. Guys, my voice is clear to you guys? Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Okay. Yes, that's correct. Yes, that's correct. Retest and buy. So let us wait for gold to come into our zone, or at least retest at our levels, and see if it is following that rally again. So we're gonna enter and take a live trade in front of you guys. Hmm. Walaikum salam. Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. What does silver say? Oh, wow, 85. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Hmm. Guys, these are historical levels, all-time highs, all-time highs. Amazing, amazing. Shall we plan our trade over here? What do you guys say? What are the next possible levels below? It can come down easily to test this zone once again, the one which I have marked. The one which I have marked already. Hmm. So if it comes to this zone, we're gonna plan our buyings. Gonna plan. These are good levels to go with the trend actually. So let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Gold is becoming uncontrollable, guys. Uncontrollable. Hmm. Let's see USD JPY. Okay. Okay. This major trend line. Let us see what does this do. Will it break or will it respect it? Let's see how it goes. In M5, we see it is trading below it. But if you see it in a major time frame, like M30, it did not give a successful closing. So let us wait. Let us wait for the confirmation. Then we're going to take an action. NASDAQ. Not bad. Not bad. But not clear as well. Silver. Whoa. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, Shank, you're right. Hmm. Okay. 608. Hmm. Okay. Gold is not giving us some clear image where we can buy it from. I want it to buy from some good levels so that if you guys want to enter also, you guys can do it on the same time at some good levels. Mhm. No clear image as of now. No clear image. You see oil. You guys know why oil is coming this much high? What's the reason that oil is rising? Yes, Venezuela. Because of that. Sure, gas falling. Nasdaq, no clear image. Let's focus on gold, guys. Okay. Gold is trying to come down from all-time highs. All-time highs. Let it come further down. We're gonna plan our buys. We're gonna plan our buys if it comes down further down. Guys, my voice is clear to you guys. Let me know in the chat box, please. Tell me in the chat box if my voice is clear to you guys. Fresh $10,000 account in front of you. If there is a good entry, we're gonna definitely take it in front of you. As you guys see, equity $10,000, right? We're gonna take a fresh trade in front of you guys, right? So let it come into our zone, then only we're gonna be taking. Okay. Okay. Now it's going up again. It's going up again. It's going up again. Hmm. Okay. Okay, it's trying to come down again. Let it come into our zone so we can plan our buys. All right. Thank you. Let it come to our zone so that we can plan our buys accordingly. Although the trend is really, really strong, since as you see the market opening, there was a gap up over here. And since then, it didn't come back from the opening of the market. Like it didn't come down from the level it got opened. So the market got opened at almost 45.22-ish, at almost $90 move so far. Let's see how it goes further until the market closing. So far, it had given almost $91 move so far. Okay, again, a rejection from all-time high. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Let's see the dollar index. Oh, it's losing its trend. Ah, grabbing some. Hmm. Dollar index looks so bad. It looks so bad. it can bounce back from this particular zone for sure. There is high chances that it might uh, bounce back from this zone. 98.600. Great zone to bounce back from there. It would definitely take a support from there and try to bounce. So at that time, if you match it with gold, right? So gold also can have some rejection from whatever level it is. There's high chances. There's high chances from that particular level that it would reject. Okay, we see some big moves happening coming into the market. Okay. Big moves. How many of you guys are holding buy positions in their accounts? How many of you guys? Let me know in the chat box. How many of you were holding buy positions of gold? Okay, we see some good rejection. Great. Taking support on EMA 20. I'm trying to go up. Let's see the next candle. Vishal, it's pretty much riskier to go against the trend in such conditions. So I would never recommend to go opposite the trend. It's a really riskier. But yes, it's almost at the all-time high, and we don't see successful closing above the previous all-time highs on M30. So I think we should plan our trades before after the closing, and let's see if it is able to give a successful closing above the all-time high or no. Rejection in M15, M5 strong rejection, very strong rejection. We're gonna plan our buy trade somewhere around 45.90s something. We're gonna be planning our buys. Mhm. So guys, if you want to buy, okay, we can give a stop loss. You can give a stop loss offer around 46 point, no. Let's try to give a stop loss of 4603, okay? 4603 can be a stop loss, and we can buy some small entries over here. Let's take some small entries. And let's see how it goes. So the stop loss 4603, 4603. Okay, it's pumping, it's pumping, it's pumping. Let's see how it goes. It's going towards the stop loss. Let's see how it goes. Whoa, whoa. We're good to go. Cool. Very nice. Did someone take a trade with me? Did someone take trade with me? We managed to make some decent returns. $22. Not bad. And how much minutes? In 2 minutes. Well, less than a minute actually. Not bad. It's still going up. It's still going up. Let's try to hunt another opportunity right now. Let's try to hunt another opportunity right now. Uh, Jimmy had already gave a closing above the previous all-time high, if you see. And it's again going up. Hmm. Okay, okay. Guys, do subscribe to our channel, all right? So that whenever we are live or whenever there is anything new coming up in the channel, you're always going to be the first person to receive it as a notification on your phone, whatever it is, all right? So make sure you subscribe and let me know in the chat box if you have already subscribed or if you just subscribed. Let me know in that chat box. Okay, the rally is still there. The rally is still continuing. Ooh. We close it early, guys? Do you guys think so? Did we close it early? No issues. We're gonna plan our trades again right now. And silver, JPY. See, guys, this is what I was saying. It actually respected the trend line and it did not give a closing below the trend line. It gave a closing above the trend line. So let us wait. If it is coming again to this trend line, if it is respecting, we can plan our buy trades at this particular level. If you see it in a smaller time frame, you see it gave a closing below the trend line and then went up again and it is trading there over right now. So it is always necessary, it is always better to confirm it on a higher time frame, such as M30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. It is going to give you a much better and a clear image to plan your trades accordingly. Let's go back to gold. Guys, if gold comes back again to that level, we're gonna put some buy orders over there and with a decent stop loss, with a reasonable stop loss, and let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it's coming back to our zone again. Let it go further down so that we can buy it in a discounted entry. Okay, it's falling again. Okay. It is coming back to its our zones. Let's try to put a small buy over here with a stop loss. Guys, are you able to see this trade? It's in profit again with a small decent profit, and we projected it with a stop loss. I think it's gonna make an all-time high again. So if it try to breaks the all-time high, I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even, and if it continues going up, we're gonna put a trailing stop loss, obviously. As you see, it's in profit right now. I hope you guys are familiar with this platform, this MT5. Okay. Hmm. Right. Okay. Okay. See, the rally is really, really strong. Buyers, they're trying their hard to bring it up, you know? See? Continuously, it's trying to go up. Let it break its all-time high. We're gonna put our stop loss at break even and then gonna trail it. We're gonna trail it. Okay, okay. It's trying to break it, break it. Hmm. Mhm. Come on, we need one more push. We need push. We need some push. Almost 46.11 is the all-time high. Almost. Tracking. I'm gonna trail my stop loss further. I think this is second. It's trying to consolidate over here. It's a very minor stop loss, almost like $1.50 or so. So it's gonna give me a loss of almost 7.9, almost $8 negative if it gets closed in loss. But and let's see how long do I hold it in profit. Okay. Okay, close by to stop loss. No. Profit again. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm, okay, there is a bump again. Um, reduce our stop loss. Increase our stop loss. Hmm. I think this is going to be reasonable stop loss. Okay, so if we lose, we're going to be losing $13. And let's see how much do we make. Sorry, guys. Okay, it's going up again. Mhm. It's going up again. This time, I think I'm going to hold it for a while. Yes, yes, yes. It's going towards the all-time high again. Yes, it's going all-time high. It's going towards all-time high. I wish I could have added some quantity over there, but no. Yes, all-time high again. All-time high. All-time highs. Yes. There you go, guys. Let's try to. I wish I could have added some more quantity. All right. Anyhow. Let's see if it is able to break the all-time high. If it doesn't break, then we're gonna book it. If it's successfully breaking the all-time high, then we're gonna close it down. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yes, it's trying to break. Is it? Is it? Yes, successfully broken. All-time high broken again. All-time high broken again. There you go. Let's try to trail our stop loss. There we go. There we go. There we go. Decent returns. Now our stop loss is in profit. For example, if the market comes down, right, our stop loss is gonna get hit in profit. All right, let's trail it further. Cool. Okay. Okay. There we go. It's trying to go further. Amazing. Oh, whoa. Rejection. Let's close. Let's close. No, let it be. Let the stop loss hit in profit. I'm not closing it. I'm not closing it. Anyhow, if it gets closed, it is going to get closed in profit whatsoever. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. But hit, but it in profit. It didn't get closed in loss. At least it got closed in profit. Great. Not bad. Let's try to hunt another opportunity. Let's try to hunt another opportunity. I think we can buy over here again, once again. Mhm. Let's hunt some buys. Is it a good zone to buy? Although we were having big profits, but we could close it in a minimal profit because although it was profit, right? So if it since it was not a loss. Okay, USD JPY, it's respecting this trend line. It is respecting this trend line. Okay, Bitcoin. Mhm. Okay, Bitcoin is stuck in this particular zone. Let's see how it goes. Dollar index. Okay, let's focus on gold. Okay. So basically, it hit our stop loss and now it's going up. Although our stop loss was in profit, but still. Anyhow, let's find some more opportunities in gold. I think if this time it breaks an all-time high, then we can plan our buys again. Let's try to put what do you call uh, limits buy stop at the all-time high. Okay, so it's gonna trigger automatically if it tries to break the all-time high. Let's see how it goes. I have placed a pending order, although I have placed a pending order. Oh, oh. Let's see how it goes. I placed my buy stops over here, above the all-time high, above the all-time high. So if the market goes there, the buy stop is gonna get triggered automatically. Let's see how it goes. Hmm. 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 Okay, okay. Let's place a buy trade from here. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay. A small quantity, a decent quantity, not that big. Okay, yes, it is going up. Should be a stop loss. Okay, let it break it. Let it go above 10, 11, 46, 11, 46, 10. So we can, increase our take profit or orders or something like this. It is trying hard to break it, but I think sellers are also having pressure. Yes. I think sellers are becoming stronger. I think we should book our small profits. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's try to reduce our stop loss over here, over here. Okay. Mhm. Okay. So here is our stop loss, and we are not having any take profit. So we're gonna close it manually, and we are having our buy stops above the all-time high. So if the market continues its rally, we our system is gonna trigger a buy order above the all-time high, previous all-time high. There we go. Wow, amazing. We'll book this, and let's see if the new all-time high occurs. Our new order is gonna get opened. Okay, okay, yeah, there you go. Yes, it got triggered. It got triggered. It got triggered. Our new trade also got triggered. Our new all new order got triggered. Rejection. No, going up. It's trying to go up. Guys, our pending order got executed. It got triggered, and right now it's running in small profits. Let's see how it goes. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Okay, running in small losses. Mhm. Guys, this is a scalp trade. We're not holding it for a long time. There you go. Let's put a stop loss of over here, previous low. Mhm. Okay, okay, a few bucks profit. Okay, let's try to give it a take profit. Hmm. Okay, continuing the all-time high. So the trend is continuing. trend is really, really strong. If you see the M30 candles, each after later, it's ready to go harder. You see the pump. You see the pump. I think we better gotta close it. It's really at the all-time highs. It might reject any time, and it's better to always buy it at a discounted rate. Hmm. Okay. Let's see if it hits the take profit or not. Yeah. Oh, it almost touched that level and tried to came down. Oh, great. Successfully hit. Take profit hit. All right. Gold at historical levels. Historical levels. 46, 16, almost 17. And whoa, it's continuing the rally. You see, guys? We managed to make a small returns. Guys, this is a fresh brand new account today, right now in front of you, worth $10,000. Let's try to grow it together. We managed to make some small profits today, which is like $58, $59. Let's try to grow it together and let's see where it goes. Today's profit in front of you guys during this session are very less profits, like $58, $59 altogether, with a very reasonable small volume according to the account. We're gonna try to make increase our volume. We'll try to increase our volume in the coming up time once we are in some profits. Okay. Perfect. Let's try to see where the oil is. Where is oil? Where is oil? Oil is not having some clear image, so it's better to avoid it. Let's see this natural gas. Natural gas, if you want to invest for a long term, it's at a good zone. You can buy for a long term. Yes, it's at a good zone. But if it kept on going down, you have to add further quantity. Silver. Let's see silver. Okay, silver is also going down. Let's see gold again. Oh, nice. Why did we close it so early? Why we closed it so early? We closed it at 46, 46.16. Okay, it's almost at the same level. Never mind. It's almost at the same level. Never mind. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Let's not be greedy, guys. Let's not be greedy. Let's not be greedy. This was scalping, guys. It was not investment, right? So scalping is like for a couple of minutes with big quantity, although my quantity was really reasonable. Like I should have taken a bigger quantity, but no issues. Next time we're gonna be taking bigger quantity. USD JPY is strongly respecting the trend line. Pound. Okay. Euro. If you see the graphs of euro, any euro pair except one or two, right? They're going to be bullish for the day as of today. Euro pairs, they were doing actually very nice today. Okay. Bitcoin. Bitcoin also at some good levels, but no, yeah, it is at good levels. Very good levels, you see. Okay. Okay. Multiple successful touches at this particular zone. It's a very good level to buy. Not for scalping, definitely. Not for scalping, although it's a very, very good level to buy. Like, it is respecting. This levels. All right. So good to go. And then let's see German 30. German 30 really, really, really high. Let's avoid that. US 30. US 30. Dollar index. Okay, let's go back to gold. Oh, new all-time high. Whoa. 46.19. Good. 46.19. Guys, if it comes down further down and it comes into our zone at EMA 20, we're going to be buying it again. We're going to be buying it again. We have a couple of minutes left before we end up this today's session. If it comes to our zone once again, we're going to plan our buy. We're going to plan our buys. So let's see if it comes into our zone. Okay, it's coming down. It is coming down. Let it come to our EMA 20. Let's try to plan our trade at that particular level. Hmm. Okay, come on, man. Come on. Let's try to take a trade before we end up this session. We are not in a hurry. If it is in our zone, then only we're going to be buying. We do not want to take unnecessary risk. At least we are not losing if you're not making. At least we are not losing if you don't take a trade. So it's fine, totally fine. It is totally fine if we do not put a trade. It is totally fine. No issues at all. No issues at all. Guys, let me know your questions if you guys have anything in your mind or something. If you guys have any positions or anything, literally anything, let's discuss a few things. Okay, it's trying to come down. Let's plan our trades at this, at least at $2 below, at least $2 below the current market price. We're going to be planning something over there. And you're going to be planning our trades over there at this zone specifically, or at least over here. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. Hmm. I think let's not take some risk over here. I think we're done for the day. But yeah, again, it's coming down and coming towards our zone. So how can we resist from it? If it is coming in our zone, we gotta take it with proper risk management. There we go. I think it doesn't want to come down. Okay, okay. It is coming down. Whoa, it is coming down. Let's wait, let's wait. Shall we plan our trades over here? Shall we plan our trades? Careful, let's wait, let's wait. Let's not take some risk over here. Let it go come down further. I think we can buy over here. Let's try to plan our buy over here. No, let's not take it. It's really unnecessary risk over here if we take. Let's not do it. Let's avoid. Let's avoid. Let's avoid. It's not in our zone. It's not in our zone. All right, guys. I think we are done for the day, and I hope it was a nice session. I hope you guys liked it. By the way, we are having our FIIP program for those of you who don't know how to trade in the market and identify some good levels and manage your risk accordingly. We're having our FIIP course program. The worth of this program is $500. But if you want to get this program absolutely for free, there is a way. You got to register with our trusted broker and activate your account with simply depositing any X amount of capital. Once you do that, the program is going to get be available for you, through which you can learn things and each and everything, right? There is going to be a registration link in the description. So once you're done, the dedicated team is going to get in touch with you. I'm going to take care of it. It's really good that we didn't take the trade. Gold is going down, right? So let's see you guys tomorrow and let's see how it goes. See you guys tomorrow, same time. Yeah. Take care of yourself, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.